Meus Camones, Angolano Nervoso, as notícias aqui não param. Estarás sempre informado no canal Angolano Nervoso TV. As notícias de todo mundo. Isto também é notícia.
A deadly helicopter crash in California, and basketball legend Kobe Bryant was one of the people killed. Cobe and his 13-year-old daughter are confirmed to be among those that were killed in this horrible crash. Bryant was 41 years old. The NTSB says the crash happened on a hillside in Calabasas, that's in Southern California, about 30 miles west of Los Angeles.
Why the helicopter crash, though, is still a mystery, but an investigation is underway right now.
I do have some footage video in case you want to send it back, but they want us to move a couple of blocks here to my office.
Here? You come here now?
Isto também é notícia.
Enough for everybody?
I didn't have my coupons.
Put that back in place.
Isto também é notícia.
Where's the front?
Hey!
We're waiting on you guys.
Yeah.
How far did you have to walk?
That was the big 20 miles.
Get all the way around. Half an hour back here. And that guy goes, now you gotta walk out for a half hour. Wow. Just, yeah, just, my reporter thought he said that is less than a dollar, you know? You should have seen we went through this morning. Oh, really? They were trying to throw us out of here. Oh, shit.
Isto também é notícia.
He represented as well.
Good.
Yeah, we tried. The guy.
Yeah, we were out here. Good job, guys.
Oh, yeah, I was just thinking, the guy over here said it's over the hill, but he's talking about that one.
Isto também é notícia.
Kobe.
Dear Kobe.
Dear Kobe.
Dear Kobe, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kobe Bean.
Cobe, thank you, man.
Dear Kobe, thank you.
Thank you for your passion, your commitment, and dedication to basketball.
Thank you for showing us that the number 24 isn't just a number on your jersey, but the amount of hours in a day that you have to devote to the game to be the best.
Thank you for giving and giving and giving.
Thank you for pushing through when your body says no, but your heart said yes. Thank you for the games that you refuse to lose, and the ones you always seem destined to win.
Thank you for your endless drive.
For showing us that even on your worst day, there's nothing else to do but push harder.
For showing us there's no such thing as magic, only hard work.
Thank you for being you, competitor supreme.
É isso mesmo, pessoal, chegamos ao fim, mas não te esqueças, se você gostou do vídeo, espalhe o mesmo vídeo no seu grupo do WhatsApp para os teus amigos também estarem informados. Vemo-nos brevemente no próximo vídeo.